In this video, we'll show you how to install one of our light kits into a telescopic fume arm. Before getting started, make sure you have all the required tools and hardware needed to install your light kit. This will include a drill, small, medium, and large drill bits, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 3/8 wrench, electrical tape, grounding hardware, grommet, a spark protector, and last but not least, a light kit. First, place the fume arm on a flat, open work surface. Then, position the hood so that the damper handle is on your left-hand side. Next, locate an area between the handle and the letter S on the hood. Using the small drill bit, drill a pilot hole. Once the pilot hole is complete, switch to the large drill bit and enlarge the hole. After that, locate an area above the handle and drill a second hole using the small drill bit. Now, lift the hood into an upright position so you have a clear view of the underside of the hood. Next, on the bottom of the hood, just beneath the rim, drill a pilot hole using the small drill bit. Then enlarge that hole using the medium drill bit. Once the hole has been drilled, insert the grommet into the opening. Then, feed the light kit cord through the grommet and into the interior of the hood. With the cord in place, locate the grounding wire, attach it to the hood using the small hole you drilled above the handle, and secure it using the supplied grounding hardware. Next, move on to the on-off switch assembly. Unscrew the switch cover and remove the on-off tag. After removing the tag, feed the switch through the large hole you drilled earlier. Once the switch is positioned correctly, reinstall the on-off tag and screw the cover back into place. Now, connect the black wire from the power cord to the black wire connected to the on-off switch. After that, disconnect the white wires protruding from beneath the light and separate the light from the rest of the light kit. Next, locate the spark protector and turn it over. Remove the nuts and washers securing the wire mesh in place. Then, flip the spark protector back over and remove the bolts, allowing you to access and remove the spark protector ring. Once the ring has been removed, insert the light into the spark protector and through the metal mesh. After the light is positioned correctly, reinstall the spark protector ring. Then, replace the bolts, nuts, and washers, tightening them securely to hold the assembly together. Now, bring the completed spark protector assembly to the hood. First, connect one of the white wires from the light to the white wire protruding from the power cord. Then, connect the second white wire from the light to the black wire protruding from the on-off switch. After all electrical connections have been made, thoroughly wrap each connection point with electrical tape to ensure a secure and protected connection. Next, place the spark protector assembly on your hood and secure it in place using the supplied mounting hardware. Finally, plug in the power cord and use the on-off switch to power on the light. If the light illuminates properly, your installation is complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this installation or any of our products, please contact our team for assistance.